Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be telling you about how I made over 100,000 naira online in a month from Nigeria. The most interesting part is anyone can do this. If you are new here, my name is Sam, and what I do is that I review apps and websites that can make you money online. So make sure you like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you can get to see my videos each time that I drop them. So without wasting much of our time, let us just dive right straight into the content. So in the year 2020, during the COVID, so I was aggressively searching how to make money online. I tried several things, some worked and some did not. So and this is why I've created this channel, to make it easier for you guys, and you now have to go through the kind of stress that I went through searching online how to make money online. So however, I must say that this will not be something very easy. You must be ready to put in the work, and of course, if you are hardworking and when you are working very smart, you will make money online. So I've met several friends who have made a lot of money from this website, and I've met some friends too who have not made so much money from this same website I'm about to review in this video. So everything boils down to you. It depends on you, how much you can put in effort and how much you can make from this website. Proceed, I would like to show you a proof of my payment. As you can see, here is $200. So okay, let me just circle it out. As you can see here, this is $200 paid into my account. So what I did was that I put in my domiciliary account as my bank details. I didn't use my Naira account, of course. So domiciliary account, and when they paid it to me, as you can see the date there, it says October 2021. This was not when I received my first pay actually, but I couldn't show the year 2020 here because I don't know why. The least that I can show is 2021. Oh well, so this explains that as well. So as you can see, it says October 2021 right there. So when I received the payment into my domiciliary account and I went to exchange it, I converted it to Naira at the Bureau Exchange. I converted it to Naira, and I had about 100,000 naira. I think I had about 119, 100 and something thousand naira. So okay, so the essence of this video will center upon three questions. Is this website legit? The second question will be, what am I going to be doing on this website? And the third question will be, what is the name of this website? So let me start from the first question. Yeah, the website is legit, it is legal. They have a branch in Singapore and an headquarters in Hong Kong, so it is very, very legal and legit. It is legit. And what am I going to be doing on this website? Before I answer this question, let me quickly note that in the video description there is a link to sign up for my newsletter there. So I share tips on how to make money online every week, so you might want to join this. If this is what you want, you might want to sign up on my newsletter, and I will get in touch with you every week. So if you don't get the message in your email, in the email inbox, you can check the promotion or the spam folder. So moving on, so what you are going to be doing on this website is that you are going to be writing story. If you are good with story writing, you are going to be writing stories, and you will make money online. You make money from this website. I have friends who are making above above $1,000 in a month. I have friends who are making above $2,500 in a month, and I have friends who are making as low as $40 in a month. And so it all depends on you, and how much you are willing to put effort to make your story a success. So what is the name of this website? So the name of this website will be in the video description, so make sure you check it out. I'll be starting the link there. Check it out, and the link will refer you to the website, and then you can get started. And also you can shoot me a mail, you can follow my Insta, my Twitter handle. You can ask me questions and everything. You can put your question in the comment section. I will answer you, and I will put it through. If you need help, I will put it through everything. So like I said, what you are going to be doing on this website is you are going to be writing novels on this website. As long as you can write long novels, don't worry, you are going to make a lot of money from this website. So once you click on the link in the video description, it will bring you here to this website. It will display like this. Do not forget that this is my laptop screen, so if you are using a phone, it might not look like this. It will look different on a smaller scale, but it's still the same thing. Okay, so you can also download the application on our Play Store. So you can just follow the instruction here, as you can see on the screen. So you can just download via Google Play, or you download via App Store and everything. So these are a lot of people who are writing their books on this website. This website has over 1 million, I think it's up to 14 billion users. I'm not sure, but it has a lot of users on this way, a lot of users on this website. So what you want to do, right, if you want to start writing your own story on this website, is that you want to come down to the bottom of the screen. You go to, okay, let me just delete this. Okay, let me delete this too. So you just go to where you will see be an author, as you can see on the screen, be an author. So you just tap on that, and it will refer you to Inkstone. So this is the Inkstone fully displayed right there, and you might choose to join the ongoing competition. As at the time I'm making this video, the Webnovel Spirity Awards, the competition is still going on, 2022, and the winner will be awarded a $10,000 and more of another awards, but the most major, the most focused reward for the winner is what I mentioned, $10,000. And there is also the WPC, the competition. So there are writing competitions you can join, or if you don't want to join the competition, okay, that's fine too. And you can just come to the side of the screen where you see workspace, just click on stories, and as you can see, these are all the stories I've written on this website, and of course I've gotten paid for them on this website. And okay, so you can just go to the top of the screen and where you see create a story. So when you click on that, you just put in your book cover, you put in your title, your abbreviation, you just fill in all the space that is there. So, and then you click on create, as you can see on here. So this is pretty much everything you have to do. And if you need more guidance, do not forget, you can just follow me on Twitter. My link will be in the video description. You can follow me on Twitter, and I will get right in touch with you with all the information that you will need. Alright, so thank you guys for seeing this video, and I'll see you in my next video.